this video, I will show you the final touches to finish this job. We will install a few components such as screw covers, P-hook covers, and the come-along. The first step after sliding the panel open is install the P-hook cover. Using the screws provided in the part box, I will now fasten the continuous header rails. After that, I will snap the screw head covers into the frame. Use the same parts to cover the screw holes in the panels. I will now measure and cut the screw covers for the keeper jump rail. After doing so, I will snap the extrusion into the rail. Now I will insert the jump covers. Make sure the weather strips always face the panel. After installing the jump cover and the screw cover, I will now insert the exterior jump cover. Keep in mind that the weather strip needs to face the interior of the frame so it can flush with the panel. Now, using the screws provided in the part box, I will proceed now to install the come-along. This device keeps the panel from hitting the jump. Also, protect the hands of the operator from being smashed by the panels. Keep in mind that this is a narrow style door, so make sure that the come-along is not screwed into the glazing bit because that can hit the glass and break it. Now that I finish installing the come-along, I will now snap the screw cover into this part. Now I will install the bumper. The main function of this device is keep the panel from colliding with the structure, either concrete or wood. Now, using the screws provided in the part box, I will proceed now to fasten the bumper to the header. Now, I will install the dust plugs in the upper side of the frame and the lower side of the frame. This device helps to insulate the panel and the house, keeping the air and sound from traveling through the gaps between panels. To recap, I already showed you how to do the final touches to finish this job. My name is Francisco Felix, and thank you for watching this video.